While walking around the show, I ran into Tristen and his mom, who organized this such great event. What is up, everybody, and welcome to the channel. We are here in Nanticoke, PA for a Jeep and truck show, and this Jeep and truck show is a benefit show to help a little guy named Tristen who suffered a pediatric stroke, and his parents are putting on this little show to get the Jeep and the truck community together to offset some of the medical costs. So as you can see, some of the vehicles are already coming in. And I am out here with the second gen Ram Mud Truck to Show truck project vehicle. So we'll show that in the video, and we're gonna try and find Tristen, and I'm gonna introduce all you guys to Tristen sometime in this video. So let's take a walk around and check out some of the sweet Jeeps and trucks that are here. Well, everyone, while walking around the show, I ran into Tristen and his mom, who organized this such great event, and I happen to have a t-shirt in the truck, and I said, hey, Tristen, how about I give you a t-shirt? So, Tristen, here's a t-shirt, and I'd like to thank your mom for putting on such an event for such a great cause for them.
We're working on it, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yep. Get in there. You want to show them how you can move your hand? I can't. Get in there.
And guys, like I said earlier in the video, Tristen did suffer a pediatric stroke, and this is such a great event that his parents and his mom is doing for him to put on such a fundraiser like this to offset some of the costs. So if you guys are new to the channel, smash down on that like, comment, and subscribe button. And if we didn't win your subscription on this video, well, on the next one, maybe we will. Till next time, I'm Joe with Tia and Tristen. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how we roll with Wicked Fabz.